Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will explain how to locate your Davinci Resolve activation key. If you are searching within the Davinci Resolve software itself, you won't find it there, as the application does not display the key after it has been activated. Whether you bought Davinci Resolve Studio as a digital download or a physical product, the activation key is issued at the time of your purchase. For those who bought it online, check your email for a confirmation from Blackmagic Design or the authorized reseller you used. This message should contain your 20-digit activation key and likely the serial number as well. Remember to look through your spam or junk folders just in case the email was filtered. If you purchased the boxed version of Resolve Studio, your key is printed on a physical activation card found inside. That card is your actual license, so do not discard it. If you cannot find the email and have lost the physical card, options are limited unless you registered the product during the initial setup. According to Blackmagic support, they usually cannot recover missing codes without a registered account and proof of purchase. If you still have your activation code, take a photo or save it securely. You will need it again when reinstalling the software or switching to a new workstation.